संसारदावानललितलोका त्राणाय कारुण्यकनकनत्वम् प्राप्तस्य कल्याणगुणार्णवस्यं वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम् महाप्रभु कीर्तनृत्यगीताम् वादित्रमार्जान् मनसोरसेन रोमाञ्चकां पाश्रुतरङ्गभाजम् वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम् श्रीविग्रहाराधननित्यनान शृङ्गारतन्मन्दिरमार्चनाद युक्तस्य भक्तांश्च नियुञ्जतोऽपि वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम् चतुर्विधा श्रीं भगवत्प्रसादो स्वादन्नतृप्तं हरिभक्त्यसङ्गं कृत्वैव तृप्तिं भज तत्सदैव वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम् श्रीराधिका माधवयोरपायो माधुर्यलीला गुणरूपनाम्ना प्रतीक्षणास्वादनलोलुपस्यं वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम् निकुञ्जयो नो रतिकेलिसिद्धये यायालिभिर्युक्तिरपेक्षणीयम् तत्रातिदक्ष्याततिवल्लभस्य वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम् साक्षात् हरित्वेन समस्तशास्त्रै युक्तस्तदा भव्यतेन सद्भिः किन्तु प्रभूय प्रियैव तस्य वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम् यस्य प्रसादो भगवत्प्रसादं यस्याप्रसादो न गति कुतोऽपि ध्यायं तु वां तस्य यस्य त्रिसन्ध्यं वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम्. Shri Guru is like an auspicious cloud giving us Krishna. So this is why we hear Guru is giving us Krishna. Krishna is present everywhere, as he's saying in Sri Bhagwan Vacha. But the one that who wakes us up to that reality and gives us the darshan of Krishna is Shri Guru. Shri Guru is always present, always in the loving service of Bhagavan. And we just heard, where is Bhagavan? Bhagavan in the Nama. Bhagavan in the heart of all living entities. Bhagavan that's present in as Shri Vigraha. So Shri Guru, Sadhu Guru is always he sees only Bhagavan. He's so attached, he's so absorbed in Bhagavan. He sees only Bhagavan. And he's in great love with Bhagavan and offering loving seva. So when he is present, Bhagavan, then the Rupa Guna Leela is already there. So this is the world of Shri Guru. So when we have darshan of our Gurudevas, it's not that we have darshan of Gurudeva and then we don't know when we will get the darshan of Bhagavan. It's not necessarily like that. When in Shri Guru and Bhagavan, they are inseparable in Tattva. So when we are having darshan of Shri Guru, it means we're actually having the darshan of the giver of Bhagavan. And Bhagavan is always there with the giver of Bhagavan. This is what seeing Guru in Tattva means. Beyond this mortal, just seeing the mortal frame of Guru, seeing Guru in Tattva is this. That's just the beginning. This understanding is just the beginning. So Shri Guru is Radhika Presaki and Krishna Kripa Srimurti. When the mercy of the Lord comes to reach out to each one of us, rescue us, and then make us turn towards Bhagavan and then place in the loving service of Bhagavan, that's Shri Guru. So in this way, the mercy of Bhagavan comes very specifically through Shri Guru. Shri Guru Pyo Namaha. This I will remember all the time, not just 3 times a day. So I will never feel alone. I am not an orphan. We are not orphans. We are Sanatha. We always have someone. We always have Guru and Krishna. Shri Guru Pyo Namaha. Shri Guru Charana Padmam Kevala Bhakati Sadmam Bandamuye Savadhana Mate Jaharam Prasadem Bhaya Bhavatoriya Jahan Krishna Prapti Hoi Jahan Hoite Gurumukha Padma Vakyam Chitete Koriya Ikyam Arana Koriho Mane Asham Guru Charane Rati Seotamangati Je Prasade Pure Sarva Asham Chakshudan Dilo Jai Janma Janma Prabhu Se Divya Jnan Hriday Prakashito प्रेम भक्ति जहाँ होते अविद्या विनाशा जाते वेद गाया हर चरितो श्री गुरु करुणा सिंधु आधम जनार बंधु लोकनाथ लोकेर जीवाना हा प्रभु कोरो दया देह मोरे पाद छायम एबेजाश कुशुत्री भुवाना श्रील प्रभुपाद पतित पावाना गुरुदेव होइलो शरण जय प्रभुपदं जय प्रभुपदं जय प्रभुपदं श्रील प्रभुपदं जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा. So when we know Shri Guru in Tattva, then whatever mellows that are born to that transcendental personality, that is all in Guru Vandana. Guru Mukha Padma Vakya Chittete Koriya Vaikya. When a sadhu guru speaks, there can be tatkalika according to time, place and circumstance, but the sarvakalika, the tattva jnana, a sadhu guru speaks, that tells us about Bhagavan, that takes us to Bhagavan, that keeps us with Bhagavan. So that Guru Mukha Padma Vakya, when it sits in our chitta, jnana avastha chetasa, like Sri Bhagavan Vacha says in the 4th chapter, when that Vani of Sri Guru sits in our chitta, and then one will be a Tattvadarshi. For us to see what a realized soul is seeing, what Sadhu Guru is seeing, out of their causeless mercy, they place their Vani in our heart. And this is what Chakshudan Dilu Jai Janme Janme Prabhu said. And this is giving like the eyes to the heart to see Bhagavan. And Sadhu Guru, he also places Prema Bhakti to Bhagavan, and in this way dispels all the darkness. Wow! This is the glory of Sri Guru. This is why the Vedas extol the glory of Guru. Bhagavan is there everywhere. But who is giving us the darshan of Bhagavan? Sadhu Guru. When Prahlad Maharaj saw Lord Vishnu in the heart of all living entities, who was giving that darshan? Narada Muni. Because of the instructions of Narada Muni. And when Prahlad was in the womb, so through the eyes given by Sadhu Guru, one sees Bhagavan. Shri Gurupyo Namaha. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhyeva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. All the Vaishnavas are like desire-fulfilling trees. They are dear to Govinda. Bowing to all the Vaishnavas, taking the dust from their lotus feet, smearing on the head and dancing in joy. Vaishnavera padadhuli, tahe mora snana keli, tarpan mora Vaishnavera nama, dhana mora nityananda, pati mora gaura chandra, prana mora yugala kishora. Nityanandaram is our wealth, Chaitanya. Is our master, Lord Chaitanya. And then this is how Yugala Kishora becomes our very prana, life air. Vrindaya Tulasi Devyaya Priyaya Kesavasya Cham Krishna Bhakti Prade Devi Satyavate Namo Namaha. Entering into the groves of Vrindavana, the land of divine love. Who will bring us to this land of divine love? Who fills our heart with the love for Bhagavan? And they are bringing us to the land of divine love. Vrindavana. Tulasi Krishna Preyasi Namo Namaha. Radha Krishna Seva Paue Abhilashi. Eto Mara Sharanaloi Taravancha Purna Hoi. Kripa Kori Koro Tari Vrindavana Vasi. Moraya Bhilash Vilas Kunja Dirovas. Nayani Haribo Sadham Yugala Ruparasi. Eini Vedana Dharo Sakira Nogata Koro. Devadhikaro Diyum Koroni Jadasi. Dina Krishna Dase Hoi Ena Mora Hoi. Shri Radha Govinda Prema Sadayina Basi. When we see Tulsi Devi, she should remind us of our eternal home, the groves of Vrindavana, where we belong to. So our Vinati to Tulsi Devi is, hey Vrinda Devi, I'm taking shelter of you now. This is all with Adhyatmika Sharira, spiritual body. So that day, where we are actually with Vrinda Devi in the heart and offering her prayers. Please engage me in Sakiranugatya Seva. Hey Vrinda Devi, fill my heart the love for Sri Sri Radha Govinda, and let my vision be just filled with darshan of Sri Radha Govinda. That's spiritual realm. Everything about Bhagavan, everything about Sri Sri Radha Govinda. We don't have to wait too long until we quit this mortal frame and then enter into the groves of Vrindavana. No. No. We now know how the entry into this land of divine love happens. When our heart is filled with that love for Sri Sri Radha Krishna, that's the entry into this groves of Vrindavana. And Srila Prabhupada said, you should hear this every day in the morning, every morning. Why? So we can wake up to this fact. We can pray. We head in the right direction. We take the Sharanagati of Sadhu Guru who has Shri Shri Radha Govinda in their heart and who has this great love for Radha Govinda in heart and can place us there. All this in this lifetime? Well, that's what Srila Prabhupada said. You sing this every day, so you can wake up to this fact. So, Yani kani cha papani brahmahatyadikani cha tani tani pranashyante pradakshina pade pade.